This is Chancellor Dennis J. Shields, and I welcome you to this University of Wisconsin-Platteville video update. Today, you'll hear from members of the University of Wisconsin-Platteville community on some of the programming and facilities that are available to help us collectively maintain our mental and physical well-being.
Hi everyone. While we have largely focused our messaging on guidelines such as the 3 W's and regular testing, it is especially important during times like these to also focus on our physical and mental health. Healthy bodies and minds serve as the foundation for our ability to stay balanced and engaged in our personal and professional lives. Focusing on the things that we can control, such as regular sleep and exercise, not only helps us to maintain our physical health, but has a significant impact on our mental health as well. Even during the cold winter months, there are a wide variety of indoor activities and programming available to members of our campus community. Recently, we rolled out new on-demand fitness opportunities that help promote health and well-being for students, staff, and faculty members here at the Pioneer Activity Center, which we refer to as Studio Sweat On-Demand Fitness. These classes and programs take place in the PAC, and we have worked to ensure that individuals who participate in these classes may do so in an environment that is safe and socially distanced. The addition of fitness programming is directed at enhancing the overall opportunities which inspire a shared sense of community, health, and well-being for our staff, students, and faculty. Our current class offerings, which are offered at no cost to students, include cycling, yoga, abs, core, and body sculpt, which focus on all-around fitness. Staff and faculty members may also participate in these programs for a $30 per semester fee, and interested participants must reserve a place in the class through the PAC reservation system, which may be found on the PAC SharePoint website. While it is as important as ever to focus on our physical health, it is also important to consider the ways that we can work towards maintaining our mental health and well-being. Counseling Services has recently announced a mental health toolkit, which is available for faculty and staff in digital and print formats. To help us better understand some of the ways that we can work to improve our mental health and well-being, please allow me to introduce our Assistant Director of Counseling Services, Teresa A. Miller.
Thank you, Tammy. Recently, University Counseling Services created a mental health toolkit aimed at faculty and staff members to help them navigate the services that are available to students, staff, and faculty. These toolkits provide some basic information about mental health, offer tips and guidance for working with students in distress, and provide guidance and direction on how to access support or assistance in an emergency. This toolkit is currently available in written format and will soon be distributed to all faculty and academic staff. Follow our SharePoint site, which will host a digital version of the toolkit. This toolkit was a collaborative effort with campus stakeholders that provided insight into what faculty and staff were seeking to support students who experience mental health issues. We hope this resource is helpful as you continue to educate and mentor UW-Platteville students.
From all of us here at UW-Platteville, may these tools and resources serve you as we continue to navigate this spring semester together. So be safe, be strong, and be pioneers.